In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Poshmark shipping label. First, open the Poshmark app on your device. As the app launches, you will see the home screen filled with various listings and items. This is where your Poshmark journey begins. To access your account settings, look for the icon labeled Account at the bottom right of the screen. Tapping on this will take you to your personal account area where you can manage all your settings and preferences. This step is crucial as it is where you'll begin the process of updating your shipping label information. Once you are in the Account tab, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now you will need to tap on My Address. This option is typically located within the account settings and it allows you to view and manage all the addresses associated with your Poshmark account. When you tap on My Address, a list of your saved addresses will appear. Here you can see your current shipping details, including your return address. This is important because the return address is what appears on the shipping label that buyers will see. Ensuring this information is current helps maintain professionalism in your transactions. Next, locate the option next to your current address and tap Change. This button is essential for editing the information you want to update. Once you tap Change, you will be prompted to either select an existing address or add a new one. If you have multiple addresses saved, this feature provides flexibility. Choosing the right address ensures that all your shipping details are accurate. After making your selection, you will be one step closer to completing the update. From here, if you need to add a new address, tap Add Address. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can input the details of the address you wish to add. It is critical to enter the name associated with the address correctly. This name is what will be printed on the shipping label, making it recognizable for your buyers. If you are editing an existing address, simply adjust the name field. Making these changes guarantees that your shipping label reflects the correct information, which is vital for a smooth transaction process. Once you have edited the name associated with the address, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this button will confirm and store all the modifications you've made. It is important to save your updates to ensure that the new information is applied to future shipping labels. You will see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that your changes have been successfully recorded. At this point, Poshmark may prompt you to complete two-step verification. This step is an added security measure to protect your account. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This is important because it keeps your account secure and prevents unauthorized changes. Completing this step ensures that you have full control over your account details. With all the changes made and saved, you are now ready to use your updated shipping label. You can confidently print your shipping label with the correct name displayed. This not only maintains a professional appearance but also ensures that your buyers receive their items without confusion. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to change the name on your Poshmark shipping label. Happy selling!